Should you listen to music when meditating? Now, this question demands that we again talk about what really is meditation and what is it that we're even trying to achieve from meditation. Okay. If you're new here, my name is Shubhali. Welcome to Be Yog, Be Your Own Guide. The idea behind this channel, Be Your Own Guide, is to present to you, is to offer you the ways and techniques to start understanding your mind and start training and retraining your mind towards a more meaningful, purposeful, happy, prosperous, blossoming life. All right, now, having said that, let's come back. Meditation and music. Should you listen to music when meditating? Meditation, again, a reminder, there's a video somewhere here about what meditation is. You can go back, listen to that video. But in short, meditation, what we are doing here when we say, so every guided meditation, I'm not teaching you meditation, I'm teaching you a practice of meditation. I can't teach you meditation. When you practice various practices, you fall into the state of meditation. It's like sleeping. I cannot teach anybody, no sleep expert can teach you how to sleep. People can teach you what are the things that you can do that might take you into a good night, deep, restful sleep. But this sleep you'll just fall into. And similarly, meditation, you can only teach, learn, practices, techniques. Meditation you fall into. Now, why are we trying to fall into meditation? Because when we fall into meditation, what we achieve, so to say, is a state of calm, clarity, peace. But this state of calm, clarity, peace is not what most people think. Most people want to not have overthinking or anxiety or too much worries, right? Now, for those people, when they start the meditation journey, it is not that overnight it becomes quiet and calm. No, it's going to be a dark night's journey, the what is it, the soul of the dark night or something like that. So it is going to be, it's not going to be an easy journey. But when you stay on the path, when you keep walking, eventually you will come to that place and you'll start seeing the benefits much faster, but in a little less consistent way. So, if this is meditation, if everything that we do is towards reaching the state of meditation, then should you use music to meditate? Now, in any kind of meditation practice, we always start with an anchor object. Eventually, when you start learning higher practices, you may, maybe not, eventually maybe you'll leave anchor objects, but I mean you'll always have an anchor object, because even if you're doing higher practices, there will be times when there'll be turbulence in the mind and you want to come back to your anchor object. What is an anchor object? For example, your breath can be your anchor object. Your mind goes here and there, you come back, bring awareness, focus back to the breath. Okay, so just like breath can be the focus object, chanting, the whatever you're chanting becomes the focus object. If you're visualizing a deity, an image, that becomes your anchor object. So similarly, music can be an anchor object, which means you're listening to music and you bring all of your awareness just to the music. And as you're just present with the music, your mind starts to quiet down. So should you use music for meditation? I mean, you can. There is no should not. But meditation in general is two kinds. So there are two categories under which all sorts of practices fall. One is stability building meditation practices, stability or shamatha. The other is wisdom analysis, wisdom building, panya pragya building. So any and all meditations that have an anchor object are shamatha building, stability building. And you need the stability, the shamatha, because only on the stability can wisdom sit stably. And imagine, think of a candle, think of the flick, the flame of the candle, the flame flick, I'll call it flame for now. Think of the flame of the candle. The candle will only spread enough light if the flame is strong and stable. If it is flickering, the light will be flickering. If it is not strong, the light will be dim, right? And so, stable base, strong wisdom, both are important. So yes, you can use music as a part of building your shamatha and your stability-based practices. Here's the thing to watch out for. Be aware. Ask yourself, am I using music to distract my mind, to escape things I don't want to be aware of, to escape certain truths in me? If you're doing that, then that will sort of, not really help you move towards your goal, because your goal, my assumption is towards bringing clarity of your life. And to have clarity of your life, you need to have clarity of yourself. And to have clarity of yourself, you need to be willing to see everything, good, bad, ugly. FYI, there's nothing bad or ugly or even good. Things just are. Yeah. Our preconception, perceptions, they are the ones that say good, bad, ugly. It's not a thing, is a thing, is a thing. So, so yes, you can use music for meditation, for your shamatha building, stability building meditations. When you start coming towards wisdom building practices, you'll yourself, you won't want music. I rarely ever, in fact, on this channel, I never use music because to me, it's just it's fanfare, you know. And so I personally don't use music, but I don't think there's anything wrong. The it's completely skipping my mind. Shamans, all shamanic traditions use drum beats. That's music. And you go on shamanic journeys through the drum beat trance. So music can be used in multiple different ways and to access different meditative states of the mind. So know how you are using the music and if the way you're using the music is actually benefiting you on your path. If it is, go ahead, use it. Otherwise, check in with yourself. Am I using it to escape? If yes, what am I trying to escape?